Hello, in this video I want to show you how to turn on and off a flashlight in Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And to do this, there's two different options, and the first one is to drag down the notification bar from the top, then drag down again, and here in the shortcuts you should be able to find a flashlight. You can turn it on or off. And there's also, if you can't find it here, you should see this pen button. Click on it to edit the shortcuts and find it in tiles below. Now the second option for it is in the settings, so we'll need to open them. Right here, find the gestures and look for the flashlight, fast flashlight. If you enable it, you can perform a karate chop or handshake with motion with your phone like this, and this should turn on and off the flashlight, but it's a bit tricky and I never managed to do it, so you can try if you like, but I'm not gonna bother with that, as for me it never works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.